Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iPhone is not responding to touch. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If your iPhone touch is not working, then what you need to do, guys, first of all you have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, if it's still not working, tap on those settings icon. Just simply you have to tap on accessibility. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply tap on touch. Let me tell you that you have to turn on assistive touch. Okay guys, turn on for this, and then you have to do some settings. So once you have turned this on, just simply you have to close this page. Now from here guys, you have to go to accessibility again. Now from here you have to tap on touch. Now let me tell you that you have to go to touch accommodation and make sure that if this toggle is turned on. If this is turned off, just simply turn it on, and just simply you have to check on use initial touch location. If this is turned off, if it's check on use initial touch location, just simply turn this off. So once you have do these settings, also make sure that you are using the latest version. Okay guys, for that you have to tap on general, and just simply you have to tap on software update, and just simply you have to update your device. Once you have done this, after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And of course this is guys, and what you need to do guys, just simply you have to remove the case, and you have to remove the glass from the screen, and just simply you have to remove the dust from your glass or remove the dust from your screen, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And the process here guys, and if you are connected with the charger, just simply you have to remove that charger or replace the charger, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.